Guys, subscribe to Tech Savvy Omi and press the bell icon for newest and latest videos.
You will need Arduino, breadboard, connecting wires and Bluetooth HC05, one USB cable for connecting Arduino, an LED and one mobile. The connections are further VCC to VCC Arduino, RX to TX of Arduino, TX to RX of Arduino, and you can connect LED to pin 8. Now take Arduino and we will connect the Bluetooth HC05 and Arduino according to our pin configuration. If you like my videos, please like and share and subscribe to my channel. In this case I am connecting LED. You can control motors or any displays or any devices as you required. Now connect Arduino to your mobile or any Arduino IDE softwares. In this case I am connecting Arduino to my mobile and uploading the firmware, or you can say code, to Arduino board. You will find this code in description box. Now connect Bluetooth to your HC05 module. The default pin is 1234 for pairing. After that you need to download the Arduino Bluetooth app for interfacing of mobile and Bluetooth. After that, switch mode. Then you will see the power button. You can change the letter of the on and off power button according to your program. Now your Bluetooth is connected with your mobile and you can toggle the switches of toggle the LED according to your mobile. Thank you for watching guys. Thank you guys.